Larson Electronics EPL EMG HB 50 LED RT CM explosion-proof high bay LED fixture with emergency backup provides operators with a powerful and energy-efficient alternative to traditional hazardous location luminaries. LED technology and compact design makes this lamp an excellent replacement upgrade option for bulky and high maintenance cost older incandescent metal halide and high pressure sodium lights. This unit is equipped with a 4-bolt flat surface mounting system which is suitable for ceiling, wall, and surface mounting applications. In emergency mode, the LED lamp will continue to operate at a lower light intensity level for 90 minutes via a remote battery. This Class 1 Division 1 and 2, Class 2 Division 1 and 2 explosion-proof light fixture provides 7,000 lumens of high-quality light while drawing only 50 watts. The copper-free aluminum alloy body is powder-coated for added durability and an attractive aesthetic appearance. Special heat dissipating design in conjunction with LED technology helps this fixture to achieve an excellent 60,000 hour rated lifespan. This light is universal voltage capable and can be operated with 100 to 277 volt AC at 50 to 60 Hz. This explosion-proof LED light fixture is IP67 rated, dust-proof, and protected against high-pressure jets and temporary submersion. This explosion-proof high-bay LED light fixture is equipped with 10 feet of abrasion and chemical-resistant 16.3 SOOW cable with flying leads. The LED light fixture features 5 3/4-inch NPT threaded ports for running conduit depending on the installation location. This light fixture offers a flat surface mounting system equipped with 4 bolts and a wiring junction box. The following options are available. Applications include flammable work sites, warehouses, hazardous locations, manufacturing plants, chemical processing, wood shops, grain storage centers, agricultural sites, and more. Here are the class divisions and ratings. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.